Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Mrs. Smith 88. So today I have the limited edition Boxy Charm skincare box that I'm going to be unboxing for you guys. I'm super excited for this. Both of my boxes were delivered on Friday and I wanted to hurry up, get things posted right away for you guys so you guys could see them. So I believe I already have up my video about the May unboxing. I'm super excited for the June Luxe box, but I was equally as excited for the Boxy Charm skincare box. This was an excellent value. If you got the chance to get this, it was $49.99 through Boxy Charm, and it was I think over $300 in skincare. So it was an excellent value. It has everything listed here. It says Boxy Limited Skincare. I've really been into taking care of my skin lately. I'm getting up there in age. I'm going to be 31 soon. And I'm starting to get the fine lines in the forehead and that kind of stuff. So I'm trying to nip it in the bud and get things taken care of. So the first item I'm going to show you guys, this is the, let me find on here. This is the Totally Grape Water. It has a retail value of $10. I did go ahead and give this a try yesterday. I misted it on my face and I'm already addicted to it. It feels amazing on the skin. The next item I have here, this is the Elemis Superfood Night Cream. This has a retail value of $45. It says, wake up with a glowing, healthy looking skin every single day thanks to the newest member of the nighttime skincare routine. The Elemis Superfood Night Cream is packed with superfood lipids, chia, black seeds, rice bran, and flax seeds, oils that work all night long to keep your complexion intensely hydrated. The concentrated super grain complex replenishes your skin barrier for a way smoother and softer skin. So that's what the Elemis looks like. We also got the Versali Jelly Beam Highlight. I'm super excited to give this a try. That's what that one looks like. This has a retail value of $40. Let me go ahead and open it up. The color that I received in my box is Rose Gold. So it looks like that. Now let's see here. Let's try to crack the lid open. It has a seal on it. If I can't get the seal, I'm not going to hold the video up. So I'm not going to hold the video up because I can't get the seal open. And then I got five more products to show you guys in here. This was a pretty big box. The next item we got, this is the Kopari Coconut Cleansing Oil. It says Purify and Replenish. This has a retail value of $32. $32 for that cleanser. Let's see what it looks like. Definitely excited to give this a try. Currently I've been using the Mary Kay Botanicals line. So it looks like that. Super liquidy. So I'm excited to try that. The bottom is rubberized, which is a little weird, but I guess that's kind of a good thing because that means when you set it on the counter, you're not going to knock it over. It's going to kind of adhere to your counter and not shift. We also got the Saturday Skin Rub-A-Dub Refining Peel Gel. So the Saturday Skin has a retail value of $28. I've never used a peel gel before, so definitely curious to see what this ends up doing for me. This is a 2.53 fluid ounce, and it looks like that. Then, like, the product that lured me into buying this box was they have the new Glam Glow Super Serum 6 Acid Refining Treatment in this box. And I mean, this item has a hefty retail price tag on it. Retails for $65. This is a 1 ounce bottle, so it's not the biggest. Let's see if I can get it open. There we go. So 1 ounce, and a lot of people were complaining about the size, about how small it was. Most serums are 1 ounce. I know every serum I've bought is 1 ounce and that kind of stuff. Nonetheless, I am grateful to give this a try, and I mean to be able to get this whole box for just $49.99 and already have a $65 item and a $45 item in there. Like I said, this had an excellent retail value. So there's 2 items left to show you guys. I'm going to go ahead and start with the least unimpressive thing, and I wasn't really thrilled with this. This is the Cosmetics Jade Roller. They sent this, I guess you're supposed to like roll this on your skin, and it's supposed to stimulate your skin for when you're putting your skincare on. And I won't lie, yeah, it feels good. It's really cooling on the face. This has a retail value of $32. Would I pay $32 for a Jade Roller? No. I've seen these popping up in TJ Maxx for like $7.99. I rather have seen them put a micro needler in our box. I would have been thrilled to see a micro needler, but instead we got a Jade Roller. So the last item we got is the Glow Recipe. These are the Watermelon Glow Jelly Sheet Mask, hydrating and soothing for all skin types. They did send 2 of these. They're super cute in their watermelon packaging. And these have a retail value of $16. It says, hydrate, brighten, and soften your skin with a sheet mask, literally like no other. Glow Recipes Watermelon Glow Sheet Mask gets its jelliness and amino acid goodness from a blend of watermelon extract and natto gum. So that is everything that I received in my BoxyCharm limited edition skincare box. I definitely hope that BoxyCharm does more limited edition boxes. I'm still waiting on my box from the charm room to come, so you guys will be seeing that video uploaded soon, hopefully. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them below. If you guys are new to BoxyCharm and want to sign up, I will have a link below as well. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Bye, everyone.